Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm making Desi style pasta which is prepared using all Desi masalas. And it's my mother-in-law's recipe. May Allah rest her soul in peace. My husband was craving for it and after a lot of tries I got his approval. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. First, boil the pasta according to the packet instruction and keep it on the side. I'm using macaroni noodles here. Now take a heavy bottom pan, heat some oil, then add boneless chicken pieces and mix for a minute and then add ginger and garlic and then start cooking until chicken changes its color. Now my mother-in-law used to add bone-in chicken, but for make it quicker and faster I use boneless chicken, so you can use either one. Now time to add some seasoning. Add cumin powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. Mix for a minute and then add some chopped tomatoes. Then cook on high flame for like a minute or two and then cover and let the chicken and tomatoes release its water and cook completely. Now if you're using bone-in chicken, just take the chicken out and shred it. Since I had the boneless chicken, you can use the back of the spoon or a potato masher as well, or you can just take it out and shred it. In short, we need to shred our chicken now. Then put the shredded chicken back into tomatoes and masala mixture and cook until all extra water dries out and tomatoes are fully cooked and mashed. Then add boiled macaronis into this masala mixture and now time to add some sauces. Add some soy sauce, vinegar, and then I'm adding chili garlic sauce. She used to add regular chili sauce, but I tried a lot of sauces and never get that Desi style chili sauce flavor here, so I substituted with chili garlic sauce. Now toss pasta with sauces, chicken and all masala mixture until everything is fully combined. Then add some chopped cilantro and green chilies, 1 or 2 is enough. Mix everything again and then let it cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes and then your pasta is ready to serve. Give your usual pasta a twist with this spicy and yummy Desi style pasta which is prepared using Desi masalas. This recipe doesn't need any pre-made sauces and is prepared with just some basic ingredients. It can be prepared in under 30 minutes and still delicious to enjoy as after school snack or as a weeknight dinner. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.